Hello, welcome. Question number 4B of BECE 2022. We are doing revision to prepare our students for July coming. So the perimeter of a rectangular cocoa farm is 497 kilometers. The length of the farm is 2.5 times the width. We have to find the width and the length of the farm. So let's see how we can go about that. We can say this is the length of the farm. This is the size of the farm. Now, if I add the length plus the width plus the length plus the width, I should be having 497. That is the perimeter of a rectangle. Adding all together, meaning I'll be having 2 of the L plus the 2 of the W, right? In terms of the perimeter. Then 2 being common factor, I can put it out and have L plus what? W. So this is the perimeter of the farm. If I know what the L and the W is, if I add and multiply by 2, I should be getting the 497. Alright, so what do we do? So we can now focus here. The length of the farm is 2.5 times the width. Meaning this already width is longer. It's longer than this by this much. So it means that if I know the width and I multiply it by this, I should be getting this side. Do you get it? Multiplication, doubling. So if I know here to be 4, it means 4 times this will have given me the length. So if we are saying this is the W for the width, then the length is going to be 2.5 times the W. Do you get it? So here will also be the same. Here will be W. So here will be 2 times that. And 2.5 is a fraction that we can convert into a mixed fraction. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 will be 5. So we'll be having 5 over 2 times W. So fast forward, I'll only say perimeter equals to, since I have the formula here, let me indicate the value, which is 497 kilometers equals to 2 into bracket L. What is the L? 5 on 2 W plus the W, which is still remaining the W. Good. So this becomes an equation which the variables in the bracket are the same. So we take them as a like term. How many W do we have here? 1. So that's 1 W. How many of it do we have here? 5 on 2. There are 5 divided by 2 W we have there. So what do we do? In order to do this, we can do this as a fraction as I'm seeing it. Or remember the 2.5 is just what? 2.5 plus 1. And 2.5 plus 1, we add the whole numbers, we have 3.45. And I can still convert the 3.5 into fraction by saying 3.5 is what? 35 over 10. Whereby 5 can go here 2. 5 can go here 7. So 7 over 2 can also be the total. If I add it here, I will get the same, 7 out of 2. So here I'll have 497 equals to 2 times, in the bracket is 7 out of 2 W. There are W that we add together to have their coefficient to be 7 out of 2. When 2 multiply, it will still cancel these 2, leaving 497 equal to 7 W. So here we are looking for W, so we divide by the 7, meaning 497 divided by 7, 7W divided by 7. What do we do? We can have 7 dividing 497. It will go here 7 times. 7, 7, 49. 0, 1. So I'll be having 71, meaning W equals to 71. So the first part, the width is going to be 71 kilometers. We are asked to find the width, and the width is going to be the W. which will give us 71. Now to find the length, what is the length? The length is 5 on 2 times W. So that will be 5 on 2 times 71 kilometers. And how do we arrive at that? We can use the 2 to divide this, multiply by the 5, or 5 times the 71 divided by 2. So 71 times 5, 515, 57, 35. So 355 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 will be 1, right? 1 times 2 will be 2, remainder 1. Bring down the 5, making it 15. 2 into 15, 7 times. 7 to 14. Subtraction 1. Bring down the 5, right? 2 into 15 again, 7 times. You have 14 again, 1. No other number, so point. Add 0. 2 into 10, that will be 5 times. So this becomes our 175.5 kilometers. I'm sure you are able to follow the principle we use from the beginning to how we arrive at the final answer. That's just following what the question gives you. Perimeter of what? Rectangle. So adopt the formula for that. Then the word problem will be translated from here into what we have. I guess the concept is clear. Please subscribe to the channel on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. Share with somebody who might actually need this content on your contact list. And God will bless you. Bye-bye.